All right, this is the Etekcity Smart Fitness Scale, Bluetooth app, the whole 9 yards. I've been using this for a few days, but I put it back in the packaging just to show you how it arrives. I was looking for something that wasn't too hard on the wall. It's something I could just stand on and get a reading for because I don't really have a need for all the fitness stuff. It arrived very safely. It takes 3 AAA batteries. This little piece of plastic right here. You just pull it out and you're good to go. And it is a nice looking scale, actually. It's very nice looking. It's very lightweight. So it can be used as a simple scale, or it can be used with an app. So they've given us a set of instructions here, and on the front is a QR code where you can get their app for this. You're going to want to read the instruction because if you're using bare feet, it sends electrical impulses up through your feet in order to measure certain things like the body fat and the BMI, etc. It gives you like a warning in here, like if you're pregnant or if you have an internal medical device, like a pacemaker, you're going to want to go into the app and turn it to 0 current mode. And they also, inside the app, you can do all different stuff like name the scale. And there's actually a baby mode in there for weighing babies or pets under 3 years of age. So when you go to use it, you're going to want to put it on a flat surface, obviously. And you can actually just step on this with shoes. It doesn't matter. And you can see it automatically goes right to the weight. Look at that. I'm 200 pounds. Very spry. I knew it. It measures your weight. Then it goes into a 0 out mode. And then one of the cool things I think about is it actually times out and shuts itself off. So very simple. There you can see it just shut itself down. And if you were to use this with bare feet, it takes a few seconds and it cycles through so that you can get it gets the different readings that it sends to the app. Simple scale, lightweight, easy to use. I like it.